Observe the stillness. You are standing within the finished structure of your own life. Take a breath, not of effort, but of simple recognition. This moment is pristine. It is untouched by the past. You have crossed the threshold into a phase defined by its abundance, and you have done so with a grace that is now your permanent signature. Look at the landscape of your own consciousness. Notice how flawlessly you have steered yourself to this point. You are here. You are whole. The relief you feel isn't just a fleeting emotion, it is the natural result of finally seeing things as they are. There was a time when you believed you were a traveler on a long road. You lived under the impression that fulfillment was a distant coordinate, something to be earned through grit and calculation. Today, we acknowledge that this was simply a shadow on the wall. The mirage has dissolved. You have moved beyond the old paradigm. You have stepped behind the curtain of your own existence and discovered the steady, unshakable truth. You are the center. You are the always present awareness, projecting yourself into this physical world. And because you are awake to this, the world has no choice but to respond. The universe is currently arranging itself in your honor. It is smoothing the path. It is whispering through every coincidence and every unexpected gift that finds its way into your hands. You chose yourself. You recognized your own value, and now the seamless reality is reflecting that sovereign decision back to you in 1,000 different ways. Feel the quiet in your mind. Notice the smile that comes when you realize the struggle is over. You've set down the heavy tools of the old world. You've stopped negotiating with circumstances. You understand now that there is no out there. There is zero distance between your quietest assumption and the world that surrounds you. They are one single, luminous tapestry, and you are the weaver. This is the natural state. It is your baseline. Here, abundance is as common as oxygen. Love is the very ground you stand on. Financial freedom and physical harmony aren't goals. They are the background scenery of your daily life. You don't have to build them from nothing. You simply take your seat, and the kingdom organizes itself to serve your vision. Feel that certainty anchoring into your chest. It's a warm, steady confidence. It is the knowing that the game is mastered. The script is already finished. The painting is dry. You are simply the witness to its beauty. Your awareness dictates the facts. Every thought of completion and every feeling of having is registered by the unified field. This field is your devoted partner. It moves the atoms, shifts the timing, and brings the right people into your orbit. It does this effortlessly because your joy is its only priority. If you recognize the truth of this, let this moment be your anchor. Declare your presence. Subscribe to this frequency of receiving. Like this transmission as a celebration of your own alignment. Join this community of creators who have stepped into their roles as the quiet rulers of their experience. Every time you return to this channel, you are confirming your own power. Now let this piece go deeper. Bring your attention to your body. Notice how secure you feel. You are held by the same energy that holds the stars in place. Your physical form is a perfectly tuned receiver for the wealth of the unified field. Right now, every cell is relaxing into the certainty that you are provided for. You are free from the pressure of when. You have collapsed time. You know that the feeling of having your desire is available right now, and the moment you claim it in your always present awareness, it becomes a physical fact. It is already moving toward your senses. Imagine the luxury of living from this vantage point. You wake up with a quiet, relaxed excitement. You know the day is tailored to your delight. You walk into every room with the resonance of someone who knows their worth. People feel it. They are drawn to you. They reflect back the royalty you hold within. They are all messengers, confirming your self-concept. They are saying, yes, you are who you say you are. Receive their words with a nod, because of course is your new standard. Of course the wealth flows. Of course your relationships are harmonious. It could not be any other way. The seamless reality is devoted to your comfort. It has infinite creativity to ensure you are perpetually satisfied. Relax. You are safe. There is nothing to figure out today and nothing to manage tomorrow. The machinery of reality is turning silently and perfectly, all to bring a smile to your face. You are a master of receiving. You have opened the gates and the river is rushing in, a river of light and potential. You are floating effortlessly on its surface, being carried toward your highest timeline. Take one more deep breath of this truth. Let it clear away the last remnants of the old way of thinking. You are renewed. You are standing in the clear sunlight of your own perfection. Your default is paradise. When you look at the horizon, you don't see a journey yet to be finished. You see your own estate entirely yours to explore. Everything softens for you. Every door opens at your approach. Because you are the center. Everything is easy. Everything is aligned. You have done beautifully. You have claimed the natural state as your home. I am honored to witness your arrival. I am always here standing by you in the unified field, ready to broadcast this truth whenever you wish to expand. Anchor this victory now. Let the universe hear your declaration. Comment below. I am the breathtaking majesty of my completed journey. And so it is, and so you are. Always in the light of your own creation.